Are you eager to turn back the hands of time naturally? What if I told you that the secret to a younger-looking you is as simple as starting your day with the right breakfast? It's true. What you eat for breakfast can have a significant impact on how well your body fights the aging process. It turns out, some of the most effective anti-aging solutions don't come in a bottle, a jar, or a syringe. They come in the form of fresh, colorful fruits. Packed with essential nutrients and powerful antioxidants, certain fruits can slow down aging, rejuvenate your skin, and extend your lifespan. In this video, we'll dive into the top 3 anti-aging fruits you should definitely include in your breakfast. These are fruits that science and nature have teamed up to provide us with, to help us conquer aging and live longer. So, whether you're on a mission to keep your skin looking young, improve your health, or just love the idea of incorporating more fresh fruit into your daily routine, this video is for you. Here are the top 3 anti-aging fruits to eat for breakfast to conquer aging and live longer. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are a powerful superfood that should definitely be part of your breakfast routine if you're aiming for anti-aging effects. They're packed with vitamins, fiber, and particularly high in antioxidants, especially flavonoids such as anthocyanins, which give blueberries their distinctive color. Antioxidants are crucial for skin health, as they help to combat free radicals in the body, harmful molecules that can cause cell damage, contributing to aging and diseases. The antioxidants in blueberries help to delay brain aging and improve memory, and the anthocyanins can help to counteract DNA damage, which may help delay skin aging. Furthermore, the vitamin C in blueberries helps with collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to keep our skin firm and smooth, and it naturally decreases with age. So, eating foods high in vitamin C can help to replace lost collagen, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. To incorporate blueberries into your breakfast, you could add them to your cereal, mix them into a smoothie, or top them on your yogurt. They can also be used in a homemade jam or spread on whole grain toast. Remember to try and consume them fresh and raw, as cooking or processing them can reduce their nutrient content. Number 2. Kiwi. Often overlooked in favor of more common fruits like apples and oranges, the kiwi fruit deserves to be front and center when it comes to anti-aging foods. This fuzzy, unassuming fruit is a powerhouse of skin-boosting nutrients and offers a delightfully tangy, sweet flavor that can liven up your breakfast. The kiwi fruit is an exceptional source of vitamins C and E. Both are potent antioxidants, which means they help to protect your body's cells against damage from free radicals. These harmful molecules are produced naturally in your body and can also enter your system through things like air pollution and unhealthy food. Over time, they can cause damage that leads to signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines. By consuming antioxidant-rich foods like kiwi, you're helping to counteract this damage, keeping your skin looking youthful. Vitamin C does more than just battle free radicals. It's also essential for the synthesis of collagen. Collagen is a protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and resilient. As we age, collagen production naturally slows down, leading to sagging skin and wrinkles. But with a regular intake of vitamin C from foods like kiwi, you're helping to support your body's collagen production. Kiwi is also a great source of dietary fiber. This might not seem directly related to skin health, but in fact, a healthy digestive system can be reflected in healthier skin. Fiber helps to maintain regular digestion, regulating blood sugars and reducing inflammation, which can contribute to skin issues like acne and redness. But perhaps the most unique feature of kiwi is its richness in a plant compound called lutein. This yellow pigmented antioxidant is known to protect the skin from oxidative damage, which can lead to acceleration in skin aging. Studies have shown that lutein can help protect the skin from damage caused by the sun's harmful UV rays, offering another line of defense for your skin. Adding kiwi to your breakfast routine is a breeze. Its tart, sweet flavor makes it a wonderful addition to a fresh fruit salad, and it pairs well with many other fruits. You can also blend it into your morning smoothie for a tangy twist. If you're feeling adventurous, try it with some Greek yogurt and a drizzle of honey for a nutritious and skin-friendly breakfast. Or simply have a kiwi and scoop out its flesh with a spoon. Delicious, nutritious, and easy. So why not make the humble kiwi a regular part of your breakfast? Its impressive array of nutrients and delightful flavor can make it a favorite in your anti-aging diet. Number 1. Watermelon. A delightful slice of watermelon, cool and refreshing on a hot summer day, brings more than just joy to your taste buds. Bursting with health and beauty benefits, watermelon is an underrated ally in the quest for a youthful glow and longevity. Interestingly, despite being 92% water, watermelon is packed with vital nutrients, and not just any nutrients, but ones that are pivotal in maintaining youthful, radiant skin. Its high water content isn't just for show. It aids in keeping your body hydrated, which in turn keeps your skin moisturized, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's not just a thirst quencher, but a natural moisturizer as well. One of the prime nutrients found in watermelon is vitamin A, also known as retinol. This vitamin plays a critical role in the health of your skin by aiding in the creation and repair of skin cells. Without it, your skin could become dry and flaky. A daily dose of vitamin A through your breakfast could mean the difference between dull, lifeless skin and a radiant, glowing complexion. Watermelon also delivers a powerful dose of vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is a bit of a wonder when it comes to skin care. It's essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that maintains the skin's elasticity and prevents sagging. As we age, our collagen production naturally declines, and the skin begins to lose its firmness. By incorporating vitamin C-rich foods like watermelon into your diet, you're helping your body to maintain its natural collagen, keeping your skin supple and youthful. But the real star of the show when it comes to watermelon's anti-aging prowess is lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid, a type of plant compound that does not convert into vitamin A but has potent antioxidant properties. This red pigmented nutrient is known to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, helping to slow down the aging process. More than just an antioxidant, lycopene is also known for its potential to protect your skin against sunburn, almost like a natural sunblock. While this does not mean you should skip your sunscreen, it adds another layer of defense against the sun's harmful rays. Now, how to enjoy this amazing fruit? Thankfully, watermelon is incredibly versatile when it comes to incorporating it into your breakfast. You can enjoy it fresh and raw, simply sliced or cubed. It's a delightful, refreshing addition to a fruit salad. If you're the juicing type, watermelon makes for a perfect base. Just blend it and enjoy it as a revitalizing morning juice. Want a bit more texture and complexity? Consider adding some watermelon chunks to your morning smoothie, perhaps with some other fruits and a dollop of yogurt for a breakfast that's a feast for your taste buds and your skin. Remember, while watermelon is an excellent source of skin-loving nutrients, it's important to consume a variety of fruits to ensure your body gets all the nutrients it needs. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and good skincare routine are all part of the formula for healthy, youthful skin. All things considered, investing in your health and focusing on anti-aging does not have to be complex or boring. In fact, it can be as simple as incorporating delicious fruits like watermelon, kiwi, and blueberries into your daily breakfast routine. Not only do they bring vibrant colors and a burst of flavor to your morning, but they also provide an array of nutrients that support healthy, youthful-looking skin, so it's really a win-win situation. Now, as a parting gift, let me share with you a quick, easy, and tasty breakfast recipe that combines all three of these fruits. Let's call it the Tri-Fruit Anti-Aging Smoothie. This smoothie is not only pleasing to the palate, but is also chock full of anti-aging benefits. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup fresh watermelon chunks, 1 ripe kiwi, ½ cup fresh or frozen blueberries, ½ cup of Greek yogurt or a dairy-free alternative, a drizzle of honey or a splash of your preferred sweetener, a handful of ice cubes. Peel and chop your watermelon and kiwi into chunks, then add them to your blender. Throw in your blueberries, yogurt, and ice cubes. If you like your smoothie a little sweeter, add in some honey or your chosen sweetener. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour your beautiful purple smoothie into a glass. Garnish with a few leftover blueberries or a slice of kiwi if you're feeling fancy, and voila! You have a refreshing, nutrient-packed smoothie that's ready to kickstart your day and nourish your skin from the inside out. Remember, the journey to healthy, younger-looking skin is not just about what you put on it, but also about what you put into your body. So enjoy exploring the world of anti-aging fruits and embrace the journey towards healthier skin and a healthier you.